Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? Both Sanders came in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. What going, peeps? Are we there with another
Brand new banger.
Why you doing, John Croft?
But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, right into it. Alright, peeps, so these are some short clips, little compilation. Might do a reaction on 1 and 2, peeps, and apologize yesterday. We did do a proper video, you know, because I'm trying to, you know, evolve the thing and squeeze in some entertainment, peeps. But I don't know what happened. YouTube blocked my video, couldn't post. There was some copyright claim from Sony Music Enterprise. I don't know why. Maybe it's the leak that I wanted to reveal to you guys and thing. But yeah, I try to do a little new thing, but it never worked out. So I apologize, guys, and just delete all of that. But anyway, peeps, hope you enjoy this, and I want to talk to you guys at the end of this video. Alright? Make we get right tonight.
Girl Shelly, yeah, I want you long, my man. I want you stop take my man. Because you can't hold, man. You have what it takes. And if you don't stop take my man, make a lay out of half a tree. Under the clock and they say you meet him and talk about you bust up your face.
Yeah.
Love my man, girl Shelly. Love him.
Yeah.
Because you can't hold him. You have what it takes to hold man. Yeah, you have what it takes.
Show them big son.
Yeah, because you're a big man. When you not have it more than me, I have him lock and make it.
I must joke this. Shelly, are you the woman attack, yeah? The woman say lower man. Lower man. You see woman a big stone. But miss, that where you get the glasses there from? Peeps, bigger things are going in the streets. JLP and PNP just at it. Little jabs and little word swing and a be a stylings are going. Make we get right tonight now. No itching.
Election call anytime, nobody not tell when for call. We never know when COVID come, so we know when for call election. From COVID come out, we never stay in yet. When Andrew win, we can lock down the city. Almighty God, we need your divine intervention. We're tired of the labor right. We're tired of the green people. We are so far. We can't take it no more. We need this. We need this. We need it. Help! Help! Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Psalm 46. God is our refuge and strength. Is a liberator drum here.
Yo! You know, the man a call for Jesus and smash the jar. The man look around and say, well, it's a liberator drum, you know. What is this happening? Anyway, peeps, we could go in our next one because our beer things are going on the road. Hold on, see our next one, you know. See our next one, you know. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. 5 cents, 10 cents. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Alright. My friend, go on now. Yeah. My friend, I have fun on the roads though. Well, and there's a next one. You don't think it did done? Well, and I'll be a things are going.
But I can tell you, there was a long time when without my checkbook, the light would have cut off at HQ.
Building a wealthy Jamaica, but after them couldn't even pay them one light bill. How them gonna pay for everybody?
How come? How come? How come?
Why you do it, John Croft?
Yeah, the man them a swing the shades. Voila! not done yet. He not done. It's done. What? The man them have buns, man. The man said, vote out Lisa.
Why you do it, John Croft?
Yo, JLP and PNP people them full of styles. On the face this up. The man them have buns, man. First of all, me not see nobody with no mask on. But anyway, let's go in our next clip. Me not rushing it. See last one you know, a beer stylings are going.
A great pleasure to introduce Dr. Peter Phillips, President of the People's National Party. Dr. Phillips.
Greetings to everyone.
Oh! This is a day.
This sound has gone. This is a day for all Jamaica. The founding principles of the People's National Party.
When I leave there, as I walk along the road, when I bend the first corner, I find $100. I say, but this thing working, boy. When I bend the second corner, I find $200. I say, but it will be a man real good. You know, when I bend the third corner, I get robbed.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head.
Jamaica, no come here. Come here. Look up here, sir. Look up here, sir. Just in Jamaica today, record 66 new COVID cases with ages ranging from 7 to 88 years old. One of the new cases was imported from a flight from what? Me can't pronounce that word there. And the remaining 65 cases are under investigations. Meanwhile, recoveries remain at 846 and there are 933 active cases. Anika Guare or whatever, make your backside. Yeah, what may I say? Yo, only can do better, eh? Only can't just follow the law. I don't even know where to start. I don't even know if to start. Why nobody now listen to the law? Nobody now social distancing. Everybody out the road and do them thing like COVID done. It not done. And the government, you're a part of it too. Me still say on the show do no election right now, but in no business. PNP and JLP me attack. We now put the people at risk. We now put the people at risk and we now listen. You see? One day alone, 66 cases. It'll get worse. It'll get worse, Jamaica. What is happening? We necessarily deserve a bladder. Hold out on hand. Oh! Hold out on hand. Hold out on again. Hold out on again. Jamaica. Wheel up. Run joke.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.